In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize Canva template for any template. To start, open your web browser and head to canva.com. You can also search for Canva and click the official result if that's easier. Once the home page loads, sign into your account so you can access your designs and ensure any changes are saved to the right place. After you're logged in, find the template or design you want to resize. You can choose one from your recent designs, your folders, or browse Canva's template library and select a layout that fits what you're working on. Click the design to open it in the Canva editor. Inside the editor, look toward the top toolbar and click the Resize button. This opens a panel with different options for changing the dimensions of your current design. If you already know the destination format you need, such as a social post, a presentation slide, or a standard page size, choose it from the suggested formats. Canva will display common presets, so you don't have to remember exact dimensions. When you're ready, confirm the resize to apply it to your current design. If none of the presets fit your needs, select Custom Size. This is useful when you're working with specific dimensions provided by a client, a printer, or a platform. In the Custom Size fields, you can set the width and height and switch the units to pixels, inches, or millimeters. For digital graphics, pixels are usually best. For print, inches or millimeters help match printer requirements. Take a moment to double-check orientation and aspect ratio so your content doesn't feel stretched or cramped. After entering your numbers, apply the resize. A quick tip here: when a design changes size, elements might shift slightly. Give your layout a quick review and adjust text boxes, images, and spacing as needed so everything stays balanced and readable. This isn't adding extra steps, it's just making sure the resize looks clean and professional. It's important to note that the resize feature is part of Canva's paid subscription. If you're on the free plan, you'll see an upgrade prompt when you try to use it. To follow along without interruption, make sure your subscription is active before you begin. That's it. Open Canva, sign in, pick your design, click Resize, choose a preset, or set a custom size with your preferred units and confirm. With these steps, you can quickly adapt any template to the exact format you need while keeping your design consistent and polished.